Did you know that 85% of the jobs that will exist in 2025 haven't even been invented yet? But here's the good news. There are 3 online skills that will dominate the future, and mastering them now can help you secure a lucrative income. Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly what these skills are, how to learn them, and where to find high-paying opportunities. Let's dive in. The first skill you need to master in 2025 is web development. Every business needs a website, and skilled developers are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with web development. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Build websites. Create websites for local businesses, bloggers, or e-commerce stores. Sell website templates. Develop and sell pre-made templates on marketplaces like ThemeForest or Template Monster. The average web developer earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn web development. Free resources. YouTube channels like Traversy Media or The Net Ninja offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, the Complete Web Developer course, or Coursera, Full Stack Web Development. Practice tools. Use platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp to practice coding skills. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance web development gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable website building services. TopTal, ideal for experienced developers looking for high-paying clients. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is graphic design. With the rise of digital content, businesses are always in need of designers for branding, social media, and marketing materials. Here's how you can make money with graphic design. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Sell design templates. Create and sell design templates on marketplaces like Creative Market or Envato Elements. Work with businesses. Help companies create logos, social media graphics, and product packaging. The average graphic designer earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn graphic design. Free resources. YouTube channels like Spoon Graphics or GFX Mentor offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, Graphic Design Masterclass, or Udemy, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator training. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to start designing. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find design projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick design services. 99 Designs, ideal for competing in design contests and winning clients. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is video editing. With video content dominating social media, skilled video editors are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with video editing. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance. Content creators. Work with YouTubers, influencers, and businesses that need professional video editing. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made video effects and templates on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The average video editor earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn video editing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Premiere Gal or Peter McKinnon offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, or Udemy, video editing for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance video editing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable editing services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know the top 3 online skills that will make you money in 2025. Web development, graphic design, and video editing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.